Next, we can play with the Play-Doh.
Yeah!
Let's open it.
Yeah!
I need scissors. Ow! My hand! Oh, Play-Doh. A lot of colors. Let's build it.
Yeah!
Cool.
Yeah!
Hey! I just got already something. I got a new thing. I do. Don't do that no more, okay? Do that, okay? Okay, let's see. Oh, it's I think I'm gonna cut your hair, little girl. Ah! I don't want to kill. It's like shadow. Our shadow! Ow! A little moving. What we're gonna say? See you later. What we're gonna say? Like this. It's like shadow.
Cool.
It's like a girl here. It is a girl here. Like a big one. Whoa, I got a girl here. Thank you, Larry Barber. I did give a bit of pineapple. The cold pineapple. There. See, going to the party.
You're pretty.
Subscribe to my channel. Bye.